protest is about a development that the National Trust are proposing on Erfig estate near Wrexham. Basically, they plan to build what amounts to a new village directly adjacent to the already existing mining village of Llandudno. The development itself is geared towards commuters from the northwest of England, Cheshire, Lancashire, Merseyside. So we're protesting of the fact that we don't want our community broken apart this way. We don't want to lose more greenfield site, and added to all that, the fact that it's the National Trust actually proposing this development has created this sort of feeling that you're seeing here today, basically.
Tara, what's been going on in Llandudno?
Well, people just don't want the development to go ahead, so obviously we're campaigning against this development going ahead. We've put posters up and we've done leaflet drops, and we've tried to even have a public meeting, which the community council stopped us doing that. So they've denied us our right to speak out. For the bulk of the people in the village, they haven't had their say. So we've come here today to represent the bulk of Llandudno that are not able to come or have their say.